Given below are two statements. Statement I, force has magnitude as well as direction. Statement 2, sliding friction is smaller than static friction. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Both statement I and statement 2 are correct. Both statement I and statement 2 are incorrect. Statement I is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Statement I is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Explanation: the correct option is A because both statements are correct principles of physics. Statement I, force is a vector quantity, meaning it has both magnitude, how strong the push or pull is, and direction, the way it acts. For example, a force of 10 newtons applied upwards is different from a force of 10 newtons applied downwards. Statement 2, sliding friction, also known as kinetic friction, is the force that opposes the relative motion of two surfaces in contact when they are sliding over each other. Static friction is the force that opposes the initiation of motion between two surfaces in contact when there is no relative motion yet. Generally,